Yeah, good evening everyone. Am I audible?
Yes, sir. Good evening.
Yes, yes.
Currently, do you have any queries from yesterday regarding tools or anything else?
Yes, sir.
If you have any queries, just let me know.
Mm,
Share the screen. Yes, okay. Switch off your video. Share the screen if you have any query.
yes, sir. I'm trying to share, but I'm not able to share because right
Okay.
now I'm operating from
Okay.
the
Do one thing. Is that from the model itself?
right.
From which model? Just tell
Sir,
me the
listen
example
to
number. From our soft copy,
wait,
na?
sir.
Is that from? Switch off the
Wait.
video. Switch off the video initially.
Okay.
Okay, sir. Fine. Do one thing. Just
Sir,
take out the pics and
on
yeah. Which example? From our
sir,
model itself, na?
sir, we have on page number 1, sir. Page number 2. We have we draw the each.
For rectangle, there are multiple chamfers. Is that? For a triangle, how to do? Is that the triangle?
No, sir. Sir, I will share a photo later because right now
Okay,
I'm
fine.
can't able to do that.
Okay, do that.
We can carry on, sir.
Okay, fine.
Okay.
Let us continue then. Just send me the pic. That will
Yes.
be better. Okay,
Yes, sir. Mhm.
fine. Yeah, here is what our AutoCAD page. Now, as the shortcut, everyone knows Control N. We will get new page. Control N. Open. Here is what our main AutoCAD. Okay, up to circle we have finished. I hope, is it? From mark, let us see. Before doing arc, we need a sample for arc. Okay, let us take a rectangle. Whenever you are making a tool na, whenever you are using, it is not required to use shortcuts or select always. There are last tool I have chosen rectangle. If I am selecting enter on directly, I will get the command rectangle. Okay, I need few samples to explain you the arc. Okay, for that, if I am selecting enter directly, I will get the rectangle like this. Okay, when you are making in at that time you will come to know. Okay, here see, no commands I used. Directly first command rec command rectangle, first point, second point I made. After that no command, nothing else, just I used enter, enter, enter. So directly I got the past command which I used. that is rectangle. Fine. In arc, we have many types. In this, see, 10 types are there overall. First one is 3-point. Okay, it is just as jumbling system. Remaining all are in just it looks like there are 9 types. Oh my god, 9 types. Oh my god, don't feel different. There are huge. It is just a jumbling system. I will show you. First, shortcut of this arc is A, enter. In this we will get by default single type, that is in shortcut. First select the first point, 3-point arc you will get. Select the first point and see, specify the second point of arc. Everything whatever you're going to make in AutoCAD now, you will get in the display. That means command bar. Specify the second point of arc and specify the end point. Okay, and then enter. Okay, it will leave the toolbar directly. Now coming to the next, this 3-point selection of 3 individual points. Okay, select that first point, second point, and third point. For radius, see here it is 16.49. You can see. If I am mentioning 25, enter. With 25 radius, I will get an arc. Okay. In this remaining 9 types, I will explain you. Don't get confused. Remaining all are same. Comes under nearly equal type, same type. Start, center, end. That means first point, center point, and end point of arc we need to select. Got it? Just select that. Start. Okay. Center. I am choosing this. Okay, and end. If I am choosing this as end, it will come here as end. Or even I can provide angularity. See, in box you can say 22 degrees like that. 22 in the sense from top it is 22 like that. Okay, if I am mentioning 45 from bottom to top, it will get 45. Minus 45 means from here to bottom side I will get minus 45. Plus I will get upper side in that way. And in this start, center, end. Select this. Start, center, and end. How much you need? You can drag as much we need. Okay. Either you can select or you can provide angularity like this. And coming to next one, start, center, angle. This one you can select. This also you can select, and also you can provide angle. First one is the reference, start. First one, start, center, reference, center, and end. At ending means how much angularity you need. See, 120 to 128, 118 degrees here you can see at the top. You can provide as much angularity we need. If you need 180 degrees or 120 degrees, provide 120 and just type enter. You will get proper output. Okay. Even though if you are calculating later on, yes, even though if you are calculating later on, you will get proper output from here to here, 120 degrees. Okay. And coming to next, start, center, length. Here length, it will ask chords length. Okay. Mostly we won't use, but I will explain you. Start, center, and length. From this point to this point, how much length it will provide. Okay. If I am mentioning 15, just the length of here, the chord length. Enter. See, it is chord length is maximum 14.16. It won't get more than that. Okay, because center we have chosen here. If I'm using 10 is the length, enter. From this point, it will be 10. Okay. And coming to this bottom, start, end, angle. Here see, start, center, start, end. That means starting point, ending point, and how much angularity we need. and the top starting point, center point, or length or distance, like that. Here start end angle. If I'm providing angularity of 150 degrees, you will get 150 degrees tangents like this. Okay, even though if you are making any line, you will get, it will be 150 degrees like that. And start end direction. Direction in the sense it will drag either upper side or bottom side. Start and upper side, bottom side, it will drag. Okay, and start end radius. This comes under start end. Here you will get radius. How much radius we need as per that. If you need 15, enter. It will take 15 radius and center point is here. Okay. Center start end. See, start center, start end, center start. As I said, you just jumbling. Output will be same. Okay. Center start end. Select the center start end. Select the center point. Click anywhere else. Specify start point and directly provide the end point. Where do you want? Okay. Let us make it here. Center start end. Let us take this as center. Let us make this side as starting and at ending. See, that means it is taking from bottom side. If you want from top side, na, you need to choose from upper side. Select this. Start. Center. And provide the angularity as much we need. Or select the end point. Okay. Directly select the end point. It will directly contact to it. And here this is start, center, start angle. First center, next starting point, and then angularity. At how much angle we need. Center start angle. Center start. I'm using this. And how much angularity we need. Just provide. Here we got it is 108. Mention 45 degrees. Enter. From here it will take 45 degrees. Even though if you are calculating now, this is the center. It will be perfectly 45 degrees. First, put it. And coming to next, start, center start angle, length. Just length in the sense quarter length it will say. Center, start, see. It will take in length. How much length? If you need length from this first point to ending point. If you need 100, enter. It will be 100 length. For example, from this to here. Enter. Line dimension. Provide 1 point to third point. See, this is what 100 length. Not only for this, each and every arc it will come in length wise. If either for this or for this, it will be coming to length. It will be as proper we got here. Okay. Any queries in this? See, now you will get confusion, but my suggestion is better to practice. You will get clarity. Okay. It is very easy, but just jumbling system. They made you to confuse. And for updated one, there will be, if 9, they may have 12, more than 10, like that. Okay, coming to next tool, rectangle. For rectangle, the shortcut is REC, enter. Okay, select the first point, and coming to second point, here see, you can see both dimension, 92 and 60. Got it? By using tab, it is jumbling. If we need 100 dimension, width 100, lengthwise 50, enter. What is X and Y? Length and width, okay? And the shortcut of rectangle is REC, enter. Select the first point and provide the dimension in X and Y axis. As per your dimension, you will get the output. And in this other type also there, I will tell you. But do not get confused. If you need a square in this, select 50 and then select tab. Again 50, enter. Directly you got a square. Here 100 by 50. Up to here, any queries? Because in rectangle I will explain the other tool. Just let me know any queries up to here in arc and rectangle.
No, sir.
Okay, fine then. In rectangle, concentrate. I will take an axis here. If you are using shift now, you will get a C. I didn't choose a shift. If I am selecting shift, perfectly I will get center line. Okay. And escape, it will leave the tool. I will tell you this further, okay? Don't concentrate in this. And also in these layers. For you not to get confused, I'm using layers. As an axis, let us imagine this. For rectangle, now see. Again, REC, enter. Specify the first corner of rectangle in this. First reference and secondary. Area, dimension, rotation. By default, dimension will be, if you want, rotate this rectangle. For example, in how, I will show an example. If you want to make this output, okay, here you can see from 45 degrees, okay, here this is a rectangle. If you want this output, 1 minute, stop share. I will share the screen again. See, here you can see this example. Got it? Rectangle at 45 degrees. This one. How to make this in rectangle? Simply, okay, with this tool. We have started the rectangle. Now see, select the rotation or R enter you can use. R enter. Now provide the angularity of 45 degrees. 45, enter. Got it? Now provide proper dimension. Of 100 by 100. We need to provide actually dimension in X and Y axis like that. See, if I am selecting REC, enter. Select the first point. By default, in past we have made 45 degrees from left side, from bottom. So it will take same way. Let us check the angularity. I will show you. It will be properly 45 degrees from here to here. It is not selecting this. Let me make a line. Angular dimension from here to here. So it will be proper 45 degrees. It will be same. And how to change this? How to change this at as per the starting how we have. For that, let me keep that. REC, enter. Specify the first point. That is reference. That is common for everywhere. Now select rotation. For rotation shortcut is R, enter. Now see, here you can rotate the rectangle as per our choice and provide rotation angularity. Here see, specify rotation angle in, here see, specify rotation angle or provide the this angularity, how much we need. 0. By default there is 45 in command prompt, so we got 45. That I am making it as 0. Enter. Got it? Now you will get perfect dimension. 100 by 100. Enter. Got it? But don't get confusion in rotation. Okay? In this rectangle. And coming to next, polygon. For polygon, shortcut is POL. Enter. Okay? And now here, first step we need to enter number of how many sides we need. 5, 6, 7, as many we need, we can. Okay? And selecting 6. By default here see, 4 sides are there. Polygon, enter number of sides 4. I'm sorry, we need 6 sides. Enter. In polygon we have 2 types. Okay? Now specify the center point. 2 types in the sense, inscribed and circumscribed. Inscribed means outside circle. Circumscribed means inside circle. What is the main difference between inscribed circle? That means the radius of circle we will get either inside selecting the line selecting the tangencies. Circumscribed for point selecting the circle will select the end points of a polygon. Inscribe this in circle. Select this and let us make specify radius. Let the radius be 100. Enter. Now see. Let us make a circle. Selecting to this and radius. Provide the radius. Got it? In inscribed, it will touch the points. And coming to next, circumscribed. For that, I will show you. POL. Enter. In number of sides, in past we used 6. It will continue the same. Enter directly. No need to change. Specify the center point. And then reference. Circumscribed about circle. In circle, about circle. In about circle, specify 100. Let it be same radius. Okay. Enter. Got it? Now let us make a rectangle. Sorry, circle. To cross check this diameter, let us use tan. It will be perfect. Tan. Got it? Inside and outside. Select the radius. See, radius is 100 as we used. Okay? Inscribed and circumscribed. That is what the difference. Okay? One will touch the end points, 2 connecting points and intersecting points, and other will touch the tangency of line. Any queries in this up to here? Up to rectangle and polygon? Just let me know. I will repeat immediately. Then no queries, na? Fine. Up to here? Fine. And coming to next. Ellipse. For the ellipse, we have the shortcut is EL. I am deleting these all. Control all. Delete. EL. Enter. For this, we need to do 2 radius here. There will be 2 types of radius. Select the first point as a reference center and select the first radius. How much you need? If you know what 100 radius, enter. Okay, from this point to here it is 100. Okay, and the other radius from center to top, center to right, center to right is 25. Provide the direction and enter. For this, from the center to here it will be 100, here to here it will be 50. Sorry, one is 100 and another is 25. Even though if you are cross checking the distance, okay, from one point to another point. Here I hope we didn't got the line perfectly, but it is 50 radius, that means 100 nearly. Radius is 50 as we mentioned, and the other side it will be 25. Okay. In this axis and center, first one which we made is center. Axis end means select this first end point, second end point, and third end point. 3 end points it will ask. First end point, second end point, that means from one end to other end. Third one is other secondary radius. You can provide 20. Enter. From end point to end point it will ask. That means first diameter, second diameter. For this it will start with center and writes first diameter and second diameter here. First radius, from starting edge point to second edge point, and third point with at second one radius. Okay, and this hatching process I will let you know next step. Before that, let us make these all tools. Spline. For spline the shortcut is SP. L. Enter. Spline is a, yes, mostly we won't use spline mostly, but as a sample. And construction line, this is most important, especially as a reference most of the people use construction line whatever we are working. And whenever you are using construction line, we need to change the layers. In the sense, for construction line we should make whatever you are making that in dotted lines. See, if I have made a construction line, it will be perfect. That means straight line. Select that, select this layer and change this to dotted lines. Here by default you won't get dotted lines. You need to go to other, load. In this you have multiple. Okay, zigzag each and everything. Just select dotted line. Okay, yes, already selected, so whatever, and then okay. Just select this layer, select and select here, select here. This is the first way, and the other way how to make construction directly rather than changing these all. Initially select this dotted lines and now choose the construction line. Select the shift here, escape. This is what directly I am getting dotted lines, and now make it to normal by layer. Okay, in this way directly we will get the construction line. And secondary ray. Array also mostly we will choose as a construction line. Most of the people coming to mechanical. Okay, select this. As per the layer, you will get the output. If the layer is in dotted, the model you are going to do will be in dotted itself. For the ray, shortcut is RAY. Enter and select the center point. Provide the proper amount of angularity we need. For this we need reference. Okay. If you need anything else in proper 45 degrees, it's better to make and provide a reference. Okay. Enter, escape, make a reference this, and now let us continue with ray. Enter, select the first point and select the second point here. You will get proper output of 45 degrees. Later on you can delete this difference. Later on, even though if you are cross checking the angularity, it will be perfectly 45 degrees. And you won't get proper dimension with this because these all are construction lines. You won't get dimension. You can just measure with other tool. For that, this shortcut is MEA. Select on command M, enter. Distance, radius, angularity. If you need angularity, select angle. First one to second one. Okay. And coming to next, multiple points. Before that, let us make 3D polyline, helix, and donut. Let us finish these three. Multiple points in the sense it will choose points if you need any points here as reference when you're working. Okay, specify a point in proper 10 by 10 distance if you want. I will let you know. For this, the shortcut is POI, enter. Okay, here 12.1, 12.5. Make sure that where you need the point from the center. Here it is 0, 0 na. Exactly where do you need? Make sure. If you need 15 by 20, enter. See, proper from 15 to 20 distance. That means from x-axis it will be 15, from y-axis it will be 20. From here to here it will be 15. Here to here it will be 20. Proper says you will get a point like this. Okay. Later on we can't change dimension of this. So only before starting, before making it in AutoCAD, before making paperwork is mandatory. That is what. Later on, if I'm selecting multiple points, I can't change any kind of dimension. That is a backlog for us. And coming to next, helix. Select for helix, the shortcut is H. HE. 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 HEL and HELI, enter. Enter. Helix. For this, first select the center point and provide the initial radius. Here, see, I'm getting in dotted lines because I need to change the layer. So make sure that layer is perfect or not. I will let you know in layer, regarding layer. I will explain you in detail. Okay, HELI, enter. Specify the first point. And now initially first diameter, how much we need. Okay, first diameter. If you need 50, enter. From here, see, from this center to here, it is 50. And then final diameter, how much we need. Final radius, if you need 100, enter. Got it? And again enter to leave the tool like this. Helix and donut. Donut in the sense you will get a hatching circles. Specify the reference point and initial diameter. First point, second point, outside diameter of a circle 50. Enter, select it. Okay, with single you will get multiple, as many you can place. Mostly electrical engineers will use this, mechanical not required. These donut options. Coming to donut, the shortcut is DO, enter. Specify inner diameter 25, enter. Specify outside diameter 50, enter. Specify the center point. Got it? In shortcuts, we need to specify, mention 2 diameters, and then we need to select the points. Where do you want? As per that, this donut. Okay. And coming to next cloud, it will be. This is only for mechanical. Electrical. Here, see. Like this, you will get the cloud. How to change the dimension of this cloud? Then rectangle 50. Now provide from first point to second point. As per our requirement, we can provide. First, select the rectangle. Select the radius. See, select the radius and then provide the diameter. As per that, end point to first end to other end, you will get the cloud. In this clouds, we have polygon and freehand. Freehand in the sense, it will just rotate as per our choice. First, mention the angularity at how much we need. In the sense, arcs or directly see freehand. Coming to polygon, select the first point. Enter. Coming to tertiary rectangle, directly. Okay. Okay, fine. Coming to next hatching process. In this, let us make only one hatching process. Remaining two, I will let you know. The shortcut of hatching, before hatching process, we need a closed volume. Hatching you will get only for closed volumes. If the body is open, you won't get hatching. See. Enter. Here, enter. Okay. Now see, for hatching shortcut is HA, enter. Okay, select the first point. Here see, we can get. Provide in which way we need the hatching process, and here see, it is 1, I am mentioning 10. Result is this. Due to 1, we can, it is totally zoom. If I am mentioning 20, here it will increase. That means the pitch between these two lines, it will be 20. In this hatching, we have multiple types. Even for electrical and mechanical, to make a bricks or whatever it is, this will be easy. Like this. Just provide this and change this. mention it 5. Yes, as per your requirement you can choose. Okay, for mechanical they use only one type, that is this. For mechanical only this one is required. I mean, this specially used for electrical and civil engineers. Okay, in this solid gradient, in the sense, if you want pattern, these all are the patterns. If you want entirely in solid, select the solid, provide the color, which color you need. Okay, as per your requirement you will get. Gradient, what, how you need, you can change as per your choice. Okay, and final select enter. This is what, in the single hatching we have these three types: hatch, gradient, boundary. In the sense solid, this is what gradient. And coming to this, see, if it is an opened, whether here it is bigger, even though small amount of gap is there, now we won't get hatching process mostly. In vast cases you will get, but especially it won't get success. Hatch, enter, select the point. Yes, see, a closed boundary cannot be determined. That means here there is not a closed boundary. Now see, select line, again close this boundary, again enter. Now H, enter, select this. How we are getting here, it is mentioned solid, change it to pattern and choose as per your requirement. And also even you can change the color in hatching process, whether you want by layer in white, or if you want others in some other color, you can choose. By default we use white with proper dimensions. 10. Enter. Okay, now up to here, any queries up to here, just let me know in chat. Just mention the tool name in chat. Let us make few examples. Hello? You see, let us make few examples. Let us make example of this. Okay, it comes under electrical. Whatever we are making in this AutoCAD, na paperwork is initially, as I said you. Okay, just divide it into two parts. Now this entire thing, whatever we are going to do in line itself, we can do. Further, the shortcut is L, enter. I need to drag this a bit somewhere else. Let me switch on the snap. The shortcut is F9. enter, select the first point, and here 120 is the length from upper side, 120, enter. Now change the direction. Okay, here I'm just showing the direction, make sure. Okay, provide the direction, and then 30, enter, and then bottom direction. Okay, it is 20, and bottom side 88, make it to 90, enter, and left side it is 10, and the other is 180, enter. And from bottom in the sense from here to here, we don't have dimension, let us estimate, no issue. Okay, here we have 100 minus 20, 80. Okay, provide 80 and 90 degrees, enter, and left side it is 30, right side 30, enter, and upper side it is 100 again, enter, and right side from this end to this end, overall it is 100. Let us see, better let us select enter, and from bottom let us come from 30 to 30 plus 30, 60, minus 10, 50. From here to here it is remaining, it will be 50. Okay, again just select enter, you will get the past command line. Just select this first point, and from here to here 50, enter, again enter. Because see, from here to this end it is 30, here to here 30, 30 plus 30, 60, 60 minus 10, 50, remaining it will be 50 due to 100. Okay, now again from here to here provide 100, enter, again enter. Now whatever the remaining thing we need to calculate in angle. From this end to this end it is 60 degrees. Okay, first one, select line, select this first point, overall it is 60, means from center it will be 30 degrees at top and 20 radius, 20 length, sorry, 20 length, 30 degrees, enter. And left side better calculate. Okay, -180 minus 30, provide it is 20, 150, enter. And now again from here it is 30, 20 length and 30 degrees, enter. And left side again, from here it is calculating, dotted lines you can see, got it, don't get confused. 20 is the length of line and the other is 150, enter. And again right side shift to 20 is the length and 30, enter. And again left side 20 is the length and 150, enter. If you are calculating one, remaining you will get directly 20 length, 30, enter. Okay, once while you are entering values, do not drag the mouse. Okay, you will get the value gets changed. How, I will show you. 20, if I am dragging this now, see, in most cases it will change. Now again 150, enter. Now again right side same method also, 20 is the length, 30 is the angularity. Left side 20 is the length, 150, enter. And again right side 20, 30 degrees. And finally C, enter. Got it? This is the output. coming to this document shortcut, I will let you know that we will come to know further. Okay. Any document in the sense what PDF files you need? Yeah, Mr. Anil. To open it, to open any document, yeah, we have. I will let you know further. To save this, if you want to save this in any PDF, see directly save as.
हेलो हेलो
Hello, yeah, export to
हाँ सर
PDF.
अनिल नहीं सर मैं अनिल ये पूछ रहा था कि जैसे आपने रेक्टेंगल के लिए REC है, जैसे शॉर्टकट कीज है कोई भी कमांड के लिए, उसका कोई डॉक्यूमेंट है कि जिससे हम शॉर्टकट कीज मतलब हम रेफर कर सके?
शॉर्टकट कीज रेफर करके क्या करना, क्या ओपन करना, क्या
नहीं,
क्या
मतलब
करना?
मतलब अभी मुझे रेक्टेंगल ट्रेस करना है, तो अभी मैं REC प्रेस करके मतलब REC टाइप करके ही आगे रेक्टेंगल ड्रॉ करूंगा ना सर, तो ऐसे
Yes.
सारे ऑल जो भी जितने भी कमांड्स है ना, सबका एक
Okay.
डॉक्यूमेंट है कि जिसमें हम रेफर कर सकते,
अच्छा
वो
आपको
डॉक्यूमेंट रेफर कर सकते
आपको
शॉर्टकट
सॉफ्ट कॉपी
कमांड।
चाहिए क्या? You need a soft copy of these all shortcuts. Is that so?
यस 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 यस
Okay.
सर,
Okay, fine. I will arrange by tomorrow. Okay.
ओके सर,
Okay, I will arrange by tomorrow. I need to cross check क्योंकि मेरे पास भी नहीं है, हमको डायरेक्टली कैसा we used to work on this ना, especially नहीं किया. I will arrange for you. Okay.
यस यस,
Fine.
थैंक यू
You can
सर,
mute
यस
it. Welcome.
थैंक यू।
Okay, welcome. See, like this, we need to save in PDF as I have shown you, the PDF drawing one. We did here, we didn't provide any dimension. Better to provide dimension. That looks good. Not only this model, any model we are, whatever the model we are doing, same methodology. Even though if you have one more example, let us make 7 minutes are there, na? See, this one let us make. Only 2 dimensions are there. Most of them used to think how to do. Is it possible? Okay, with only with these 2 dimension. Everything in entire model output is in this 2 dimension. How? First, provide the output in AutoCAD, whatever the dimensions we got from input. Input in the sense, this is the input, this is the output which we are going to do. Okay, make the proper start drawing with provided dimensions. Okay, here in draw directly, C enter. Okay, like the first center point. Create an axis for this. That will be advantage for you not to get confused. Select this shift and escape. Okay, C enter. Select here. With the first point. Yes, it is in dotted lines. Better change the layer. That will be advantage. Select this by layer. Select this also. Make it to normal layer. First one radius 100 we have. C enter. Has chosen from center. C enter. radius is 100, enter. And coming to next, this circle, and whatever the square we have in this, it is of 100 diameter. It is connecting to the perpendicular line. That means 0, 90, 180, 260. Length is not required, no issue. The input which we have. First, let us make that square. Either by line you can make or by rectangle. Line will be easier for you rather than rectangle. Okay. For that, let us switch these all on. Let us finish that square. First point. Switch off the snap mode, F9. This is happening due to I have switched on these all. I will let you know what are the uses of those. See, if I am switching it off, I am not getting perfect center point. So few are required for us. Point. Okay. Select the line. And at last, final. Zoom in and select. And again, enter. And coming to next step, provide the next dimension, radius 20, tan radius. Okay, for this radius 20. Circle, C, enter, tan radius, select this, tan, specify the radius 20, enter. In the same, make 4. Again, enter directly, tan radius, tan radius is 20. By default, you have 20 here. Select enter. Again, enter. Not required to provide the dimension. Always tan enter. And in this, we have other shortcut also. Further, you will come to know in modify tools. That is by using polar array also we can finish this shortcut. Not required to do always. Okay. I will let you know in modify tools when we are going to these tools. In that we have, this is what array, polar array in the name. With that directly we can make. One is enough for us. And final, circle. This circle let us make tan. First tan, second, third. This is the output. Got it? Nothing is different. Easy steps. Once after you are nearly to finish modify toolbar, I will start explaining electrical models also. Line length angle. See, not only line length angle, each and every dimension only single process. Yeah, Revit, just observe here once more. Okay. Select L, enter. Select, specify the first point. Specify first point. Okay. Let us specify the, I am zooming and explaining. Specify the first point. Now, if you want 10, at the top you can see the shortcut tool for this is F12. Dynamic, we will name it as F12. Okay. If I am switch offing dynamic now, it will get changed. F12. See, I am switch offing it. I can't get anything else. Got it, everyone? Again, I am selecting F12. Note down this. Now it came back. In this, here you can see blue bar. On that blue, you can see 6. That comes under length due to the dotted lines. Okay. If you want that 6, if you want 20 or 15, select, make it as 15, enter. And coming to other, if you need one more line with angularity of 10 length, here see 4.03, make it 10, select the tab, don't scroll mouse, let the mouse be there itself. And here, what is the, if you need the angularity of 45, select 45 or 30, whatever you need, 30. See, for example, if I'm using here, I just pinned it, so it we got it there directly. Again, I will explain line. Point here at 30 degrees and 15 length. 15 length, 30 degrees. Mention it 30, enter. Okay. Again, enter. See, if you are calculating this, it will be 30 degrees properly. From this to this. Overall, 180 minus 30, 150. Got it? Overall, from this end to this end, 180 na, 180 minus 30, it will be 150. So properly, everything, not only this line, even circle, arc, rectangle, everything. See, for example, rectangle I have chosen, like the first point. First point you need to choose. Okay, it won't choose by itself. Here see, x and y axis, 16.5 and 7, 10 and 5. Enter. Got it? Length 10, height 5. If you are cross-checking the linear dimension from one point to another point, 5. Got it? For each and everything, you have the same methodology. 10. Any query? Let me know. Do you got it? Just type. Okay, better you can chat. I'm not getting your voice. Text me.
Sir, dimension checking, the linear dimension, the measurement, how
Dimension.
we take it in the process.
See, here see, in annotation, you can see at top, linear, aligned, angular, radius, diameter, in this itself. For this also we have shortcuts, but later on I will let you know why that is what. Normally you can select manually. Okay? Linear, aligned, angularity, in this itself everything is there to check the dimension. Okay? In annotations. Fine? Okay, any queries, just let me know. We can leave for the day. And I'm better practice these all models. Okay, that will be advantage. Leave this, even up to here, better practice these all models. Not that much critical, all are easy. Okay, after that let us make an example shortly once after finishing modification, because in modification we need to trim most of the tools. That is what. So once after finishing the modification toolbar, let us make an example of civil engineer and electrical, these two. And coming to electrical, inbuilt you will get symbols of these. I will show you from where. That will be further. Okay, currently further there you can leave. Any queries, just let me know. After practicing, if you have any additional queries, just take out a pic and send me in WhatsApp. Okay, fine then, thank you.